Hey everybody, it's Mark again. I just got back from the store because I ran out of super glue. So one thing that you cannot run out of when working on cuckoo clocks is super glue. Now let's talk about this super glue. This super glue here, this Duro brand, is what I use to repair the O-rings. I buy it at the dollar store. It costs me $1. And then Loctite super glue is one of the best super glues there is. Now the Poppo cuckoo clock that I was working on, this cuckoo clock right here, these bellows that I repaired, this bellow, and I went through 3 different super glues before the Tyvek material would stick to this wood, and I even cleaned up the wood with the sanding disc from my Dremel, and the Tyvek material would not stick, except for with this super glue, the super glue with gel control. So you always want to have different kinds of super glues on hand, because different applications uses different things. Now, if you're going to use the baking soda and super glue trick, you have to have the liquid super glue, because the gel super glue does not work as well. So anyway, go out and spend a little bit of money and get you different kinds of super glues, because you never know what you're going to need. Now these you can buy at the dollar store for $1 a piece. Unfortunately, I was at the Dollar Tree and I spent $1.25 a piece on them, but this I got at the dollar store for $1 a piece, and a total of 0.14 ounces for $1. Now this I bought at the dollar store, and it cost me, I want to say, $4, and it contains 2 of these tubes, but it's Loctite. Loctite super glue never fails me. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, because it's free to do so.